Can you show me where Egypt is? That's pretty good. Okay, that's one. Where's the Red Sea? Where? Where's Red Sea? Yeah. Can you show me the island of Malta? Where? Okay, how about Madagascar? Where's Madagascar? How about India? Where's Baghdad? Very good. Where's Tunisia? Don't do the Tunis joke. Show me, where's Japan? Where's Japan? Where's Japan? Where's Philippines? Where's New Guinea? Where's New Zealand? That's pretty good. Is that 10 yet? Where's Israel? Now, that's a real little country. Israel. Israel. There it is. There it is. Great. That's pretty good.